Here are some of the best low-competition, low-content book niches for Amazon KDP in 2023 for beginners, journals and planners. Activity books for kids, coloring books, Sudoku and puzzle books, guest books and log books, recipe books, notebooks and sketchbooks, password trackers, meal planners, budget planners, fitness trackers. These niches are all relatively easy to enter, as they don't require a lot of specialized knowledge or skills. Additionally, they are all in demand from Amazon shoppers, so you have a good chance of making sales. To find specific low-competition keywords within these niches, you can use tools like Helium 10 or Keyword Scout. Once you have found a few good keywords, you can start creating your books. Here are a few tips for creating low-content books. Use high-quality templates and graphics. Make sure your books are well formatted and easy to read. Write clear and concise descriptions for your books. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions. Price your books competitively. Once you have created your books, you can upload them to Amazon KDP. Be sure to choose a good cover image and write a compelling book description. You may also want to consider running ads for your books to reach a wider audience. With a little effort, you can create and publish low-content books that sell well on Amazon KDP.